you're looking for paradise, it can be found on Raya Island and Coral Island. We took an island hopping boat tour there and were blown away by the beautiful beaches, the colorful fish, and an amazing pod of dolphins. So stay tuned to see two beautiful must-see islands just 30 minutes off the coast of Phuket, Thailand. We are Kendra and David, an American couple who sold everything to travel the world and experience all it has to offer. The pandemic left us stranded in Thailand, but our journey is far from over. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel to follow us throughout Thailand and throughout the world. Each new episode will help you imagine, plan, and live your travel dreams. So let's get started. So our first stop is Raya Island, an island about 30 minutes off the coast of Phuket. Raya Island, also known as Raya Island, has soft powdery white sand and beautiful turquoise water, perfect for swimming and for splashing around. In addition to enjoying the beach, you can walk up 5 minutes to a viewpoint, getting an even better view of the beach and the island. When you come here, you'll love seeing the vibrant blue water and the contrast of the hilly island landscape against the two-toned blue sea. We were blown away by Raya Island's beauty, and you will be too. Included 2 opportunities to snorkel. The first one being at Siam Bay, just 10 minutes from the main beach of Raya Island. Here you can enjoy looking at unique and intricate coral reefs and see colorful fish of all shapes and sizes. To go dolphin watching. There is a pod of wild dolphins off the coast of Coral Island. It was so cool to see them surface for air and then go back under the water. Our boat stayed there for maybe 15 to 20 minutes just dolphin watching, and we could never predict where the pod would surface next. They got pretty close though, and were so beautiful to see. Oh, look at them, they're so pretty. Chance to snorkel was off the coast of Maitan Island. Maitan is a private and protected island, so we weren't able to set foot on the island, but we were able to enjoy the beautiful coral and all of the colorful fish. stop was Coral Island. This island is quite lively with lots of activities and beach bars to try. You can take part in some of the attractions or just enjoy the beautiful views. There's something for everyone on Coral Island. This tour includes lunch and hotel pickup and drop-off, all for the low price of 1,050 baht. If you're interested in booking this experience for yourself, the links are in the description box below. And if you enjoyed exploring these beautiful islands with us, please give the video a like and leave us a comment below about which island was your favorite. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button for more travel tips from Thailand and from around the world. As always, thanks so much for watching and happy travel planning until next time.